Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will work on this design right here. We have here the design page. It's in the same settings that we used in all our designs before. Now we will make the background in black like this. Then we put the ruler in the middle right here. If the ruler tool is not activated, make sure to activate it from here. You go to view and you check it from here. Now we use the pen tool to start drawing our shape. But first I need to draw more rules into here like this. I put this one right here. I drag another one. I put it here. Then another one right here. Perfect. I put this one a little bit like this. That's good. Now we use the pen tool to draw our shape. I zoom in a little bit. Oh, sorry, zoom out. Now I click here, put a dot in here, then the next one right here. Then here. And I go like this. Then like this. Then I reconnect these dots together. Now we make an internal color so that we can see the shape. This is just an example color so that we can take a good look at the shape. Now I will use the curvature pen tool to fix this shape. I zoom in a little bit. Then I add a dot in here. I drag like this to make this shape look like this. Then this one as well. Pull this one right here. Then I make another dot in here. I drag it a little bit as well to adjust the shape like this. That's good. Now we select the background. Then we select the pen tool and we draw another shape. I zoom in a little bit to take a good look. Then I make the first dot right here. Right here. Another one in here. Right here again. Keep going like this. And then I put it right here. And I connect these two dots together. Here, take a look at the shape. Now I use the curvature pen tool to fix it. I'm gonna drag it right here. That's good. I zoom in. I add another dot in here. Then I make this shape like this. Perfect. Double click here to make these lines like this, curvy. Now we make this shape in white. So double click here and I choose the white color like this. Just a slight adjustments in here, that's good. Now I change this color from green to gray. That's okay. I put the two shapes together in a single folder. Then I copy that folder. Here are the two shapes in the folder. We copied it, and now I'm gonna reverse the shape. Sorry, I need to hold the shift button and I reverse it like this. So that it's the same size as the original shape. Now I put it right here. It looks off a little bit, so I need to fix it. I'm gonna use the ruler to make sure that the two shapes are in the same place, like this. That's perfect. Now this is our shape or our design. I'm gonna remove the rulers. Now I zoom in and I will use the pen tool to draw a line in this place. Put a dot in here. First I need to select the layer. Now I put the dot right here and I make a line like this. I'm gonna remove its color first. Now I make it's black like this to make it look like a line. Then right click, I go to blending options, I go to drop shadow, and here we are. As I said before, I'm gonna keep it at 95. I make it 24 in the distance, 17 in the spread, and 51 in the size. Or maybe I make it 57 pixels. That's better. I put it right here. That's perfect. Now we click OK to apply the changes. And as you see, it's perfect. Now I copy this shape and I will reverse it to put it on this side. Like this. I put it here. I hold the shift button and I reverse it like this. And I put it right here. Now I go back to drop shadow and I will change the angle of the shadow like this. Perfect. I zoom out to take a good look at the design, and here we are. This is the final look of our design. Our design looks perfect. Now I save the design in PSD. Then I save it as PNG. Then we go to put it on the mockup. Double click here. Sorry, I forgot I need to remove the background before I save it in PNG. That's it. That's good. Now we go to the mockup. Here it is. We remove this design, we replace it with our design, the one that we just created. Here it is. I drag it to the design page and I adjust its size and I put it right here. Now I save it like this, and here we are. Our design is ready. So this is how our design look on a t-shirt. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.